So you can see the steps here. Okay. And what I have marked the arrows, they are irreversible reaction catalyzed by pyruvate kinase, then comes the phosphofructokinase, and then comes the hexokinase. There is irreversible 3 steps in the glycolysis. Okay, here what we can summary of the glycolysis. Embeden-Meyerhof pathway is enzymes in step 1, 3, 9, and then comes the 3 and then the first are key enzymes. These reactions are irreversible. Step 5, 6 and 9 produce energy. 9 produces 1 ATP, then 6 produces 1 ATP, and 5 produces NADH2. Okay. Step 5 and 10 are coupled for regeneration of NAD. Here you can see NAD is being recovered, and in step 5 also. So this is all about the glycolysis. So this is our glycolytic pathway, in which you can see hexokinase, phosphofructokinase, and comes the pyruvate kinase. Okay. Now, energy yield, number of ATP generated per molecule of glucose in the glycolytic pathway. When hexokinase acts for conversion of glucose to glucose 6-phosphate, there is utilization of 1 ATP. And when phosphofructokinase acts to convert fructose 6-phosphate to fructose 1,6-biphosphate, 1 ATP is utilized. When 1,3-bisphosphate phosphoglycerate kinase acts, this phosphoglycerate kinase is used to convert BPGA to 3-PGA, where ATP is produced. Pyruvate kinase acts to convert PEP to pyruvic acid. Okay. So here you can see like 2 ATPs we get here from. Also we get 2 ATPs. So total 4 minus 2, that is 2 ATPs. Okay. And now we come to the next cycle. The net energy yield, number of ATP generated per molecule of glucose in the glycolytic pathway under aerobic conditions. Under aerobic condition, oxygen is available. Okay. So hexokinase -1, phosphofructokinase -1, because ATP is utilized here. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase to convert PGAL to BPGA. Because 1 NADH2 gives 2.5 ATPs, so there are 2 molecules of NADH2 produced during this cycle, so 5 ATPs are produced. 1,3-bis phosphoglycerate kinase gives produced 1 ATP substrate level phosphorylation, so gives 2 ATP. Pyruvate kinase substrate level phosphorylation occurs, so 2 ATP we get. So total there are -2 here. So total is 9. So total is, or net we can say 9 minus 2, that is 7 ATPs are produced during aerobic condition from the glycolysis.